Welcome to the first week of our 17-week series, where we will walk through our building center, giving you an in-depth look at our process of building your new Palm Harbor home. This week, we start at the frame shop.
Hi folks, I'm Howard Broughton with the Building Center in Fort Worth, where we build the Magnum and the ever popular Horizon homes. And you know, the strongest part of your home and the best part is your foundation. And if you start out right, your house is going to be square, level, tight, and sound. We use American-made steel. It's not imported steel. It's not a Paco. It doesn't have a little wafer inside of it. It's good 12 1/4 inch I-beam American-made steel from American factories, and we start at that point and bring it in large pieces of the I-beam. Let's go forward and let's see what else we got. Okay, now we're up where we put the I-beams together and we're on a jig. All of our frames are built in a jig so we can be precise exactly what we need to do to make that frame fit exactly for the same size house. In case you didn't know, with the way this product is built, on the front end of the house where the towing hitch goes, which is also removable, there's a place where we stamp into the frame the serial number of the home, and that goes on the front cross member right where the hitch was when the hitch comes off. That's on every home that we build. So if you're looking for it, that's where your serial number is. You can see the front cross member is a full 12-inch I-beam that's welded into the runners. Let's go down here and let me show you some things that we do to make our house a little different. Here we are at a strategic point where our homes are manufactured to make it fit exactly for the size home that it is. You ever seen a flatbed go down the highway that's empty? It's got a little arch to it. We do the same thing about making that arch by putting camber into our frame. We put a jack here and raise this frame up so that we've got a little bit of an arch to it, and then we weld that in and so that it holds that frame so it's got a curve to it. When we put the weight of the home, all the walls and roof and everything on our frame, it then sits flat and level. If we didn't do that, the home would droop. Notice too, we have outriggers listed on the side of our house. These outriggers don't go all the way to the side. It doesn't get into the way of your skirting or cinder blocks or things you use around the side of your home. They are supported and have lag screw holes. This is a frame clip and lag screw holes where we would put a lag screw through there into the floor. We build all our frames upside down, which makes it easier for us to get to the parts and pieces to make it right. Now, some manufacturers say, well, we have outriggers that go clear to the side of our home. That's because they make a narrower frame. Ours is 99 1/2 inches from center to center. We widen our frame out, we get a broader base, and make it much more stabilized, so you don't need the long outriggers. You need smaller outriggers just to tie that frame and the home together so it's supported properly. This is the way to do it. And there's your clips that come off to the side. Join us next time when we leave to the frame shop and go into the floor system. We will give a factory tour station by station. Join us next week.